So every time a horse is ridden, they always get rinsed off. And I try at least once a week, to try for twice a week. We don't always make it. Try to give all of them somewhat of a bath. Keep them as getting too bad. Kind of Lena out there, she's the gray paint. Just as soon as she's out in the air, she's dirty again. I try to keep them somewhat clean while they're here. And what I have found, what I use is this Patron Foam Care shampoo. It has some stuff with like anti-fungal in it. It's good for their, keep any kind of funguses down or anything like that they might come across. Put it on them. I usually just kind of wet it and let it run down them and let it sit a minute, and then I'll rinse it off. It has been a pretty easy, not too time-consuming way for me to keep a horse looking as good as I can without putting a whole bunch of hours into it. I have to be somewhat conscientious of the time that we spend with each horse. Each horse needs to get their time, but I also need to balance the time with each horse. And each horse needs to be kept up. And that foam shampoo helps us do a pretty decent job of keeping their body clean, and also is a good antifungal. I ordered on Amazon. Just about everything I get here I order on Amazon, except for a few things I get at the dollar store. That's what it looks like. So I'll have a link to it, either in the description or in the comments, if you're interested in trying it. I'm not sure what all is in it, but as far as shampoos, that's what I really like to use. This is Dancer. She's black, and I do my best to try to keep her black best I can. And the other part of that, with using that shampoo with the antifungal in it, I'm conscientious of blankets and stuff, but the blankets do get passed from the saddle pads from one horse to another. That's pretty typical for a training facility, and the girths. So that helps to keep the horse's skin clean. And keeps a good clean environment for all of the horses. So this is Dancer. I'll put a link up here to her other videos on YouTube, to her playlist. And I'll also have a link somewhere in this video or in the comments for the shampoo if it's something you're interested in trying. It's something I really like. I don't use a whole lot of different products. I don't post about a whole lot of things that I use because I don't use a lot of different things. And that's something I like. I thought you might want to give it a try. Until next time, thank you for watching.